Come on in here. Here, let him have him. Here. Come on in here. Hunt right here. Right here. Come on in here.
What do you know, it's that time again to meet at the clubhouse with all my friends. You don't know what you're missing, let me tell you why. My daddy started this club many years ago. A lot of hard work, he made it grow into a way of life just for you and me. He said, I want you to know there are people out there who try to stop you, cause they don't care about the way we do things down here in the South. There ain't nothing wrong with being raised this way, and I don't give a damn what they say. Just drop that tailgate, show them what it's all about. Well, turn them loose, let them run. It won't be a minute and the race is on. And once they hit that side of fun, the dogs when they're singing their sweet song. Wait just a minute, they're coming my way. Maybe this will be my lucky day. I wish everybody could understand I'm a full-blooded dog-hunting man. My little boy's only 6 years old. He's standing with me out here in the cold. He just would not have it any other way. Well, he said, well, Daddy, don't you know that it won't be long, and I'll be driving a truck of my own with 4 big tires and a dog box in the back. About that time on the radio, Mud and Jeff saw a big buck cross the road. Said, look out, fellas, cause here he comes. I turned around and looked at him. He looked back at me with a big old grin. He spun his hat around as he said, well, turn them loose, let them run. It won't be a minute and the race is on. And once they hit that side of spot, the dogs when they're singing their sweet song. Wait just a minute, they're coming my way. Maybe this will be my lucky day. But Daddy, I hope you understand that I'm a full-blooded dog-hunting man. Why, yes, I am. Man moved in from out of state, buying them property and putting them gates. Said, I don't want you or your dogs on my land. Well, he said, well, I've never hunted by running dogs. In fact, it should be against the law, cause all you need is a corn pile and a stand. Well, early one morning we made a drive. The walker took a deep point across the line. Shots ring out like thunder through the air. The rich man came down the road doing 85. He slammed on brakes with a power slide. I couldn't believe my ears when he said, well, let's turn them loose, let them run. And I can't remember having that much fun. The way them dogs when they're singing their song, well, I could have listened all day long. Well, is there any way we can do it again? Cause now your dogs are my best friend. Now I can say I understand a full-blooded dog-hunting man. Well, turn them loose, let them run. It won't be a minute and the race is on. And once they hit that side of the spot, the dogs when they're singing their sweet song. Wait just a minute, they're coming my way. Maybe this will be my lucky day. Well, Daddy, I hope you understand I'm a full-blooded dog-hunting man.
Hold in it, folks.
That's strictly business,
Hold in it, folks. Go to him. Go to him, son.
Son, you better watch.